Do you like candies? Yes? My favorite candies are popsicles and cookies. I have an idea. Why don't we make a popsicle cookie? Let's try it. Okay, before we start, let's check the ingredients and the materials, okay? So, first one, cookies. Pay attention, a circle cookie, okay? Sprinkles, can be chocolate sprinkles, can be colored sprinkles, any one you want. Dulce de leche or caramel, alright? And chocolate, okay? This one here, you need to melt the chocolate, okay? To do that, ask your friend or your mother to help you. And the materials, a big plate, spoon, and popsicle sticks, okay? Now, let's start the recipe. Okay, so let's make the popsicle cookie. First, you pick one cookie and you pass the caramel or the dulce de leche in here. You have to put it like this, okay? If you need, you can call your mom or your dad or a friend to help you, alright? You pass it here, you take another cookie, put on a plate, take the sticks, put it in here, and you close it. Look, just like a popsicle, right? Okay, let's make another one. Again, you pick a cookie, pass it the caramel, you take the stick, put it in here, and you close it. Okay, now we have the cookies done. So let's put chocolate on the top of it. Right now, you need the help of your mother and your father or a friend. So pay attention. You take a spoon, put on the chocolate, and you put it in here. Oh my God, I love chocolate. Do you like chocolate? I love chocolate. And you have to cover all the popsicle, okay? All of it. Then, when you finish, you put on a plate, okay? Let's repeat everything. Now, to finish, we take the sprinkles and you spread on it, okay? You can use your hands. So, when you finish, you have to put it on the refrigerator, okay? To cool it down, alright? And then you have to wait for 1 hour, 30 minutes. Now, let's wait 1 hour, okay? Okay, now, 30 minutes later, let's take the cookies off the refrigerator. Let's see how they are. Wow! Ooh, it's really cold here. So look, this is the result. It's beautiful, right? Now, I'm gonna put them on the plate and then we are going to eat it, right? So guys, look, here we have our popsicle cookies. It's really good. Now it's the best part. Let's try it. It's really, really good, guys. And the best part, it's cold. So, this was our recipe for today. Now guys, it's time to say goodbye. Bye bye. See you next class.